Very good afternoon, students. Today we are discussing about question number 5. So question number 5 also show that means take the left hand side determinant to prove the RHS value. So now we are taking left hand side determinant. We are proving that RHS value. Now how to proving the left hand side determinant is equal to RHS value means first we have to observe that right hand side value. Right hand side value what is the given 4 A B C. First observe this one. After that observing left hand side determine first element. Here A B C is a single variable with the product is single variable. Now first row here single variable is there, here single variable is there, but first element there is no single element. There is the sum of the two variable is there. That's why first this one we have to prove that single variable. How to prove that there is a single variable means see the solution. Now we are taking left hand side determinant B plus C A B C plus A B C A plus B. Now applying the condition is R1 changes to R1 minus of R2 plus R3. Now we are applying the condition is R1 changes to R1 minus of R2 plus R3. Applying the condition only changing the first row only. First R1 changes to R1 minus of R2 plus R3. So R1 changes to R1 minus of R2 plus R3. So R1 changes to R1 minus of R2 plus R3. Second row does not change, as we are writing as this B C plus A B C A plus B. Now simplify this one. Now plus B plus C minus of B plus C get cancelled. So that value is 0. Remove the negative A minus C plus C 2C. So plus 2C into minus is minus 2C. Minus into plus A minus C. There A minus of B plus B 2B. Minus into plus 2B that value is minus 2B. So minus into plus A minus A. Second right hand is B C plus A B C A plus B. Now plus A minus A get cancelled. Minus A here also plus A get cancelled. So write as left of the determinant value. So now determinant 0. Left of the element is minus 2C here minus 2B. Minus 2C here minus 2B. Next second row what are the elements there? B C plus A. Next is B. Third row is C A plus B. Now observe here friends. First row what is the common element? Only minus 2 is the common element. That's why taking common minus 2 from in first row. That's why taking common minus 2 in first row. Now minus 2 taking common in first row. That's why minus 2 taking common outside. First row left of the element is 0 C B C plus A B C A plus B. Now we should apply the determinant condition. We get the right hand side value plus minus plus. So minus 2 into 0 you are taking that particular row, that particular columns are eliminated, cross multiply with the left of the elements. That's why C plus A into A plus B minus C into B is a CB. Next symbol is negative, element is C means minus C So C minus C is present in first row, second column. So cross multiply with left of the elements. B into A plus B, B into A plus B minus C into B. Next plus B, B present in the first row, third columns are eliminated. Cross multiply with the left of the elements. B into C is a BC minus of C into C plus A. So after applying the determinant condition, simplify this value. Minus 2 into 0 into anything value is 0 minus C into A into B is AB plus B into B square minus CB plus B into BC minus C into C is a C square minus C into A is a minus CA. Now simplify this one. Minus 2 into minus C into AB is a minus CAB, minus into plus is a minus, C into B square is CB square, minus into minus is a plus, C into CB is a C square B. Next plus B into BC, that value is B square C, plus into minus is minus, B into C square is a BC square, minus B into C is a BCA. Now minus CB square plus B square is CB square, both the values are something only, minus CB square plus CB square get cancelled, plus C square B minus C square B get cancelled. Now write as left of the elements, minus ABC minus 2ABC. Now minus into minus plus 2 into 2 4ABC. Finally we got the RHS value. This is solution for this question here friends. I think everyone understanding this question also. Very easy. First one R1 changes to R1 minus of R2 plus R3. After applying the condition, in first row minus to take common outside. After taking common outside, we should apply the determinant condition. Finally, we get the RHS value. This is the solution for this question here friends. See the next question. See the question number second. To prove that left hand side determinant is equal to right hand side value. Observe first this from right hand side value 1 plus A square plus B square plus C square. But according to the left hand side determinant, A square plus 1 is there. Next if you want plus B square plus C square. Any row, any column B square and C square is there? It's not there. That's why any row, any column we have to prove that B square and we have to prove that C square. That's why see the solution. First we are taking left hand side determinant. A square plus 1 AB AC AB B square plus 1 and BC CA CB C square plus 1. Now first row taking common A, second row taking B common, third row taking common A, taking common A B C in first row, second row and third row. First row taking common A, first row taking common A, left of the element is A plus 1 by A. The taking A common, what is the left of the element here? B. The A taking common, what is the left of the element? C. Second row taking common B, the left of the element is A, here B plus 1 by B, here C. Third row taking common C, left of the element is A, B, C plus 1 by C. After that multiplying A, B, C in first column, second column and third column divided by A, B, C in first column and second and third. C means multiply with ABC divided with ABC means first column multiply with A divided with A, second column multiply with B divided with B, third column multiply with C divided with C. So that's why we are applying ABC. Dear friends, first column multiply with A divided by A. First column multiply with A divided by A. That's why divided with A writing outside, multiply with only inside determinant. So A square. Next, second column multiply with B. So B into B, B square, B into B plus 1 by B. So B into B, B square. So first column multiply with B divided with B. Next, third column multiply with C. C into C, C square. So C into C plus 1 by C. So multiply with C divided with C. Now E, A, B, C, this one will get cancelled. Observe dear friends, here first column multiply with A divided with A, second column multiply with B divided with B, third column multiply with C divided with C. Now numerator ABC, denominator ABC get cancelled. Now we can simplify this one. We are taking LCM. A square plus 1 by A get cancelled. We get A square plus 1, A square. Next is B square. Now we are taking LCM is B square plus 1 by B get cancelled. We get B square plus 1. Here B square, C square. Now we are taking LCM C square plus 1 by C, numerator C, denominator C get cancelled. We get C square plus 1. Now C1 changes to C1 plus C2 plus C3. Why we are not applying R1 changes to R1 plus R2 plus R3 means R1 value what is there? A square plus 1 is R2 value is A square. But to prove that 1 plus A square plus B square. So 1 plus A square, after that what do you want? B square. Where is that B square? Second column is there. That's why we are applying the condition is C1 changes to C1 plus C2 plus C3. So now apply that condition. So now only this column changes. A square plus 1 changes to C1 plus C2 plus C3. B square plus C square. So A square plus B square plus 1 plus C square. A square plus B square plus C square plus 1. Now C1 changes to C1 plus C2 plus C3. C1 changes to C1 plus C2 plus C3. Apply condition. Second column, third one does not change. That's correct as B square. B square plus 1. B square. C square. C square. C square plus 1. Observe dear friends. First column what is the common element? 1 plus A square plus B square plus C square is a common. That's why taking common 1 plus A square plus B square plus C square in first column. So take outside common element is 1 plus A square plus B square plus C square, taking common outside. Left of them is first column is 1 open 1. B square plus B square. Next to C square plus 1. Now we should apply the determinant condition, or else first column all the elements are 1 is there. We should apply the row operation. We get the easy answer. Or else we can apply the determinant condition. So first we are applying the determinant condition. That is your wish. First to prove that this one 0, this one 0, which condition I am applying? R2 changes to R2 minus R1. R3 changes to R3 minus R1. You should apply that condition only. R2 changes to R2 minus R1 and R3 changes to R3 minus R1. You should apply this operation, or else directly you should apply the determinant condition, also we get the answer. So now 1 plus A square plus B square plus C square, 1 B square C square. Now R2 changes to R2 minus R1. So 1 minus 1, b square plus 1 minus b square, c square minus c square. R3 changes to R3 minus R1. So 1 minus 1, b square minus b square, c square plus 1 minus c square. Now simplify this one. 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square. 1 b square c square minus b plus b get cancel 0 1. C square get cancel 0 0 0 1. Now 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square. Now applying the determinant condition or else applying the property 3. What is the property 3? Principal diagonal elements are zeros. Principal diagonal elements are 0. Then determinant is product with the principal diagonal elements. Only product with the principal diagonal elements is 1 into 1 1, 1 into 1 1. So only 1. So 1 into 1 plus a square plus b square is 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square. Or else we should apply the determinant condition also, we get the answer. So this one answer, or else we should apply the determinant condition also, we get. So you know already how to find the determinant of 3 by 3 condition. Top to consider plus minus plus. So we get the same answer only. So I think everyone understanding this question. One confuse here, dear friends. First row 10 common a outside, second row 10 common b outside, third row 10 common c outside. After that, first column multiply with a, divide with a. Second column multiply with b, divide with b. Third column multiply with c, divide with c. After that, numerator abc, denominator abc get cancelled. Finally, we get the distributor. Here, applying the condition is c1 changes to c1 plus c2 plus c3. Applying that condition, first column 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square is a common, just a plain common outside. After that, we should get this determinant. So here applying the determinant condition, or else first column all the elements are 1 is there, any two ones to put the 0. That's why applying condition is R2 changes to R2 minus R1, R3 changes to R3 minus R1. After applying the condition, we get the value is 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square. Determinant of 1 b square c square 0 1 0 0 0 1. Here applying the property 3. What is the condition for property 3? Means the principal diagonal elements are zeros. Then the determinant value is a product with the principal diagonal elements. Principal diagonal elements are, what are the principal diagonal elements? 1 1 1. Product with these all principal diagonal elements. 1 into 1 1, 1 into 1 1. Or else you don't know this property, you should apply the determinant condition, we get the same answer. This is the solution for this question. Left of the question we will discuss about tomorrow. Thank you all.